Hey you guys, welcome back to my channel. So I wanted to do an updated natural makeup tutorial look, so I just thought I'd show you guys a fresh updated routine. But before we get started, be sure to hit that subscribe button. Also don't forget to comment and like, and also to turn on your notifications so that way you will be notified every time I upload a video. So if you guys want to see how I did this updated natural look, please stay tuned and keep watching. Okay you guys, so first we're going to start with the Benefit Professional Primer. I'm going to wipe that all over my face. Next, I'm going to spray my face with some MAC Fix Plus spray to get my skin ready for the makeup. For my foundation, I am going to be using my Lancôme Teint Idole Ultra Wear in the shade 460 Sue W. I'm going to be using a Real Techniques foundation brush to apply my foundation. Just going to buff that in. For contour, I'm going to be using MAC's Pro Sculpting Cream in the shade Richly Honed. Just going to use like a flat concealer brush to apply that all over my face. Using a MAC 130 brush, I'm going to blend out my contour. For those of you who are new to the makeup world or interested in getting into makeup, the reason why people contour is to give more dimension to the face. So like for me, my face is a little round, so I contour to make it look slimmer, make it look more cut, give it more dimension. Next, we're going to conceal to brighten up the face. And for my concealer, I'm using first my Tarte Shape Tape Concealer in Tan Sand. I'm just going to highlight the face. And then for my second concealer, I'm going to be using NARS Creamy Radiant Concealer in Caramel. So instead of using a beauty sponge to blend out my highlight, I'm going to be using the setting brush by Real Techniques. I think I like this better. And this is something I'm going to be doing from here on out. To set my concealer, I'm going to be using Sacha Buttercup with that same brush to bake just for a little bit. To set my contour, I'm going to be using the NARS Melina palette. I'm using the darker shade to go over my contour. The brush I use to apply my contour is a MAC 129 brush. For my powder, I'm going to be using MAC's Mineralized Skin Finish in the shade Dark to even out my skin tone. The brush I'm using is Real Techniques powder brush. For my blush, I'm going to be using another MAC Mineralized Skin Finish, and this is in the shade Sun Power. To add more definition to my eyes, I'm going to be using these two shades from the Morphe 39A palette. First, I'm going in with a 224 brush by MAC as my transition color. Next, I'm going to be going to deepen the crease in my eyes using a MAC 217 brush. Just going in with a little darker shade. To highlight my eyes, I'm going to be using Maybelline's Master Chrome Highlight in the shade Molten Gold. Just going to use my finger and apply that towards the middle. Just want to add a little bit of glow to the eye area. Going to use a Morphe E36 smudge brush to highlight my inner tear duct area. First pigment that you see here that I'm using is going to be a Melon pigment by MAC. Next pigment right here is going to be Tan, also by MAC. Going to apply my favorite mascara, the only mascara I use, Loreal Telescopic in Carbon Black. Just going to apply a little bit of that to my eyelashes. Next, I'm going to set my face in with some NYX matte finish setting spray. Then I'm going to apply for my highlight using Gold Deposit by MAC. And the brush I'm using to apply that highlight is a Mikasa F120 brush. In case you guys have noticed, I have already applied my eyeliner and my eyelashes. I've also applied Naked Eyeline on my bottom waterline to brighten up my eyes. Here I'm applying gold deposit to highlight the bridge of my nose and the top of my cupid's bow above my lip. Okay, you guys, today I'm going to switch it up for a lip liner. Instead of using the actual lip liner, I'm going to be using this Wild and Crazy Ultra Shine Lip Gloss in the shade Henna. I'm going to line my lips with this, and then I'm going to apply MAC's lipstick in Peach Stock and just blend that together. Thank you guys again so much for watching. I will see you in my next video. Stay tuned.